that is like an activity. Like
Okay.
I will give you some word, very easy word. If something related to those words, you have to tell. Like word, maybe in the sentence form, you can tell. And related word, yeah, like if I'm giving you one word like breakfast, so what comes, what pop in your mind after hearing this word? So you have to tell related to breakfast. Two, three words you can tell, and maybe you can utilize this word in your sentence.
So,
So good evening.
yeah, good evening. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal. I'm a mother of one kid and I'm a part-time YouTuber also. Yeah, and if I talk about my qualification, so honestly speaking, I couldn't complete my graduation. Before completing my graduation, I got married and yeah. So that's why I had to drop my study. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I have quite number of hobbies, but my prime hobby is listening to music because it floats my boat.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, it's my turn now. I'm Preeti, and I'm an English teacher. I'm working in a private school. Right now, I'm living in Bahadurgarh, that is near New Delhi. That is a part of Haryana. And apart from that, I'm running my two YouTube channel. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. That is my study channel. Another one is Easy Way Vlog. That is my vlogging channel. Just for entertaining purpose, I created that. That's all about me.
Okay, okay. So how long have you been in this profession, in teaching profession?
I think it has been for more than 10 years.
More than 10 years. Wow.
Actually, I'm in teaching before, I have started before marriage, my teaching. Yes. And
So do you have
I
kids?
have,
Do
what?
you have kids? Do you have
Yeah,
kids?
yeah. I have one son. Yes.
Okay.
So, be ready?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, my first word is lunch.
Lunch.
Yes.
Okay. So actually I'm a homemaker. So in my lunch, like no, I always try to make some kind of new dish. But honestly speaking, I'm not good at cooking. So that's why I
Okay.
can't cook anything special dish. So my lunch in my lunch, like no, I just take I take only like fish, egg, and then bhaji, dapals. Yeah, nothing
Okay.
special.
Okay. Actually, I did not hear about all these words related to non-vegetarian food because I'm pure vegetarian. And
Okay.
okay,
Okay. And
so
actually, I live in West Bengal, so Bengali people like no love to eat fish.
yeah, I know. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, if I talk about myself, what comes in my mind, I always prefer to take lunch on proper time, like during school time, and especially to my students. I always give this inspiration. I always make them motivate. Like every day, you have to take lunch on your proper time, on your fixed time. Okay,
Time.
yeah. Okay. So next word is that is also related to our food. That is health.
Health. Okay. So health. I think that mm, we should like no, we should eat something. What am I saying that? We should eat vegetable also because most of the nowadays people are not health conscious and they don't do exercise anything. They are the most of the time like no most of the time we spend our time with on social media on mobile we watch and we sleep at night, we sleep late, so that's why it can bad impact on our health.
Our health. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice sentence structure. And about myself, health is wealth. I never want to do any type of compromise with my health, especially. I'm very health conscious, you can say. That's why I always prefer healthy tips. and I like to follow all those tips also. That I'm really fond of doing yoga, exercise, all these things. Okay. So next word is peace, mental peace.
Peace. Okay. Meditation is most important in our life because it gives us peace
Yeah.
and it help us to reduce it help us to reduce stress.
Hmm. I think nowadays every second person is facing this type of problem like stress and anxiety. So we should work for that. We should work on our mental peace. Like mental peace is should be the first priority for everyone. Because without mental peace, we can't work on our physical health also. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So next word is timetable.
Timetable. Okay. Uh, Timetable is I can say the timetable. Okay. I want to become fluent in this language. So that's why I made a one schedule and I want to do everything according according to the timetable.
Hmm. Yeah. Very good. Like if you want to work everything on their proper time, on their fixed time, you should make one timetable. You should follow that. That
Yeah.
is good. Yes. Same in student life. Like student learn discipline and every good skill from school. So that's why there is a timetable which we should follow in that case. Okay. So next word is memories.
Memories. Okay. Uh, I have some good memories and as well as bad memories also. But I don't carry forward. I don't want to I don't want to think about my bad memories. I've always tried. I always think about my good memories because it helped me to achieve my goals. Bad
Hmm.
memories and good memories, they have both. Good memories give us how to good memory give us how. Okay, no, actually, I learned one code, but I forget right now.
Okay.
Good memories,
Okay.
bad memories.
Okay. Don't put pressure. Be comfortable. Okay. Okay. So about memories.
Yeah,
If I talk about my memories, I created my another channel that is Easyway Vlog just to record the memories of my life because somehow like if you are recording something in the mobile and in pen drive and something in something else, so maybe it can destroy anytime. Like maybe our phone is working or not. It can be spoiled. But like if we are recording on the YouTube, that will stay in our mind as well as safe on the YouTube for lifelong. That's why I created my another channel. So yeah, memories so that I can memorize my memory.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So next word is idea. Idea.
Idea. Whenever I cook, I try to get new idea so I can cook fast because I don't wanna spend more time in kitchen. I don't like spend my time in kitchen.
Okay, because you are not fond of cooking. Okay. Yes. Okay. Idea. So whenever we want to make any plan like nowadays in Haryana there are vacations are going on, and we are enjoying right now. So immediately after hearing this word like vacations, so what comes in your mind? That is idea. Any
Yeah.
plan for a picnic, and sometimes if you want to solve any problem, so immediately we can ask to our friend, our family members, what comes, which type of ideas are coming in your mind after hearing this, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. So my next word is uh, method. 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 Method.
Method. Okay. So nowadays, like no, whenever I take session with anyone, so most of the people ask me that, ma'am, like no, give me some kind of tips that how can I improve my vocabulary. So I give them this method, that if you want to be, like no, if you want to enhance your vocabulary power, so you should cook up story and try to bring this word in your story.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Like a storytelling method. That is a
Yeah,
storytelling method. Yeah. Yeah, I always like a storytelling method is really good. If you want to make sentence, if you want to learn any new language, you should create, you can use this method, storytelling method to learn new sentences and words, right? Yes, very good. Okay. So my last word that is related to travel. Do you like travel?
I like travel. I like traveling, but the major issue is like no, I suffer from sickness. So whenever I go anywhere, and it really ruin my plan
Yeah, yeah.
after
That I
taking
can,
medicines also.
yeah. Okay. Actually, after
And I,
like
yeah,
Jiran
because
phone, this I
I fight shy of bus travel.
oh public transport.
Yeah,
You don't like to use public transport. Okay, okay, okay. So till now, how many places you have visited? You have traveled.
I have traveled like no Sikkim,
Okay,
Darjeeling, Nepal, and then I was born and raised up in Northeast. So yeah, and Northeast also, West Bengal.
okay,
This all
okay, okay.
places I have visited.
Okay. And do you have any desire like I just want to go and visit there? Is any place in your mind?
Yeah, actually, as we all know that like no, in Ram Mandir, uh,
That is in,
2 3 months ago, it was inaugurated. So it my desire to visit that temple.
it is your desire. Okay, 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 okay. You want to visit in UP. Yeah, that is the Ayodhya. Okay. Yeah, I think that is everyone's desire right now in India because that time there was a big crowd, and if you will
Yeah.
try, and yes, actually, I'm from north part of India, and I like to visit. I want to visit in most of part of India, like especially south part, because that is also I heard about different temples. Like in MP, there are most of temples, and in Tamil Nadu, in Maharashtra. So I just want to visit once in my life in every part of India,
Okay.
especially yes.
Which all place have you visited?
Till now, I have visited only Rajasthan, like Jaipur, and in Himachal, most of part of Himachal, and in UP, only in
Okay.
north part, not in other part of India.
So do you love traveling?
Yeah, I love traveling, and I want to explore my knowledge as well as I yeah, really want to visit every part of India. First in India, then if I will get chance, definitely I will go.
Yeah. All Indians like there are so many places very beautiful
Yeah.
which are in India, but we don't when it comes to like travel anywhere, so we think about like abroad.
Mm, yes, yes. No, I just want to go first in India, in every part of India. Then I will think later part of my life about abroad.
It was really nice. I can say that a nice game. Like no, I because I never think like that way. That I also try to do something new. I always do like no rapid fire and that
Because
so
when
many
we
things.
plan conversation in different way, now that that is really
Role
good for
play,
us. Yes.
but same conversation also I don't like. The hi, how are you? When have you started your journey? Same this kind of
Hmm.
conversation like monotonous.
Hmm. Yeah, that is casual conversation. I think like us, no, not everyone will take interest in this.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. And very soon we will meet again. Have a nice day. Have a nice sleep because it's night time. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.